Now, what are you gonna make for us?
So I'm gonna make a 5-ingredient salmon situation.
Oh, a salmon situation.
Yeah, just 5 ingredients. But first off, I gotta put some olive oil in here.
Well,
Now, listen, but I gotta put you to work, and I know you like to run off. Hold on. Hold on, Tiger.
I just want the food.
Easy, Tiger. You just up at your wife. I bet she's skinny because she got to run after you all the time.
Gosh, she does run after me, but she usually just catches me quickly. She's very fast.
I like that. So we're gonna shuck some corn.
All right.
Can you do that for me?
I'm good at that.
You got it?
This feels like home.
Let's get it. Where is it?
Enjoy yourselves. I'm going.
You got it? Okay.
All right.
All right.
You just put him to work.
I have to. And I needed. Let me just get a sip.
We need
I just need a sip after that testimony. I got a testimony.
All right. I don't know if we should testify and then drink wine, maybe in church. I don't know.
God did.
Anyway.
God did.
Anyway.
I say to you, Gina.
Anyway.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
Now,
ladies.
take a sip of wine, and then I need you to explain to us, dish the details on
Yeah.
this salmon situation you talked about, this slim down salmon. Okay.
Yes.
Can you do that for us?
You know, salmon is full of omega-3s, and I love salmon. But people cook salmon the same way, either wood grill or maybe just sauteing it. But I want to kind of give it a southwestern feel to it. So I want to add some black beans, some corn. And the great thing about it is it's cooking on foil, so there's no cleanup. Toss it right out.
Love it.
Got that going?
Perfect.
Yeah,
I got you.
Okay, I'm going to add in a can of black beans. Black beans are filled with antioxidants. I've fallen in love with them. You rinse them off, drain them, and stick them right in here.
Okay.
And you're going to chop up for me, thank you, for some scallions and some diced tomatoes.
I love that you're using these grape tomatoes, by the way.
Absolutely.
Because all year round, these are really much the only tomato across the country you can get that have flavor, that hold up when you're cooking them, burst into juice. So the grapes are the way to go.
While they're dishing on tomatoes, I want to get up in your dish. Who are you dating, Miss Gina? Yes, tell us. You got a boo in the life? What you doing over there?
See, that's how I got in trouble last time, having my boo out in the light. I normally don't cook for men because I think men get a little turned on because they saw me cooking in the kitchen.
So how long does it take before you cook for them?
They take me out. No, it's about wine and dining, Miss Gina.
right.
I've cooked all I'm gonna cook.
I'm exhausted, but I'm done.
The corn is back.
Oh my God, the corn made it. I was thinking you were gonna have this corn, actually.
No, I actually shucked it. I ate a couple, but I also got some of the kernels out for you.
Thank you. Oh my
Welcome.
God, such a treat. And my tomatoes, thank you.
You are my dear.
And my green onions.
Yep. Got you.
Thank
Put it all
you.
together. This smells
Very colorful, too.
And that's what I love about it, because salmon is kind of bland looking otherwise, so this gives it a little color. So you look at it, because food should be visually into the eye before it comes to the stomach and the mouth. Eat it up and then get up.
Come on.
I just want to spoon it on here, but I want it nice and
That's all it takes.
There we go.
I know,
That
it's all about the
gorgeous.
presentation.
You're really teasing us with this slow pour. You know that, right? There we go. That looks so beautiful, Gina. Oh
And
my
so
gosh.
fresh. Like that is to me what
It's like out of the garden. Does it not look like out of the garden?
Lime here?
Want some lime over here?
We're gonna put the lime on top, we're gonna
Here, I'm
zest
gonna
it and just
quarter
open the
this
flavors
a little
up.
bit.
Yeah.
All right, platter
Just a
ready,
little
ladies?
squeeze.
Do that. Can I do that
Thank
for
you.
I say we eat family style. Just dig in.
All right, let's
Just
go.
dig in.
Just dig in.
Just dig in.
I'm gonna make that look pretty right there.
Come on, little
It tastes as fresh as it looks.
Yeah. Barely
That's well done.
warm.
Vanessa, are you happy with this result?
It's delicious.
Top chef, judge this for me.
That's all I need. Fresh,
See that?
simple, letting the ingredients speak for themselves.
Perfectly cooked.
And look how beautiful that is.
Yeah.
That's a great platter for dinner, for friends over, glass of wine, happy hour, hanging out by yourself and having a glass of wine on the sofa with your feet up.
Any way you're doing is perfect. Nice seat done.